Good morning, it's Monday. That crow must have offended that bird. Little bunny. We're getting our teeth brushed. And Dee Dee is just all on top of her brother. What a sweet girl. Yes, you are. It's time for bed, but I wanted to show you guys I'm really trying to get healthy. So I have some vitamins. I actually had to go clean out my desk at work. I had so many vitamins in there from at least a year ago because it's been a year since I've been to the office. But in any case, so I brought them home and then I was reminded about them by my friend Sinead. Shout out to you, girl. Collection's never complete. Go check her out. She's great. Love her. Yeah, she reminded me about taking vitamins and how important it is. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna sign off for today. It is time for bed. And I am so ready. I stayed up way too late last night. So, good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello and happy Tuesday. It's like the afternoon by at this point, but it's almost 2:30. It is like the most perfect day out today. There's like a breeze and it's warm and we've been spending some time outside today, so it's been really fun. I got this new scale yesterday that like scans your body so you can know how much fat percentage you have and like bone mass and muscle mass. But yeah, so there's gonna be some like workout slash, you know, weight loss themed videos coming out in the future. They are probably already out actually in real life. But as of like today, March 30th, I'm just now editing them. So I just finished day 7 of my DB workout yesterday. So I'm making a video about like unboxing and first impressions after the first week of working out. So you'll probably have already seen that. So if it's already available, I'll link it above for you. Look at this girl. She set her little head right on Albie's butt. They're so cute. Oh yeah, that's a cool girl. She loves her brother. Oh my goodness. You guys are picture perfect. Alright, let's go. Somebody is begging. You guys, it is snowing. Is it April 1st? I think it's April 1st and it's snowing. I don't think it's snowed in April since we got Edie. So 3 years ago? It is legit snowing. Yeah, there you go. Happy April. It's snowing. What is happening? It is so cold. It says a high of 36 today. So I'm back in sweatpants. Ugh. That's what we're working with today. It's escalated. What the heck? It's like little, almost hail now. It's like fluffy. Oh my god. Look at it. What? It looks like Dippin' Dots. Have you had that ice cream before? This is crazy.
Albert tries to lick all of the peanut butter off before his sister can have some. And then he starts creeping.
Yeah. You guys are so dippy.
Okay, he gets the last. Well, looks like there are a couple licks left.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, good job.
Is that a good snack? Oh, that's a good snack, boy. Good job. Now it's like slightly sunny out. Cause you know, that makes sense. I'm excited it's Thursday, which means it's nearly the weekend. Yay. And it got us some real fancy desserts. Can I see yours too?
Mm-hmm. Peanut butter pie.
Wow.
Fancy just means expensive.
Yeah. Look at all that creamy peanut butter pie. I just had like the scariest thing. I woke up, I like rubbed my eye, and I thought I had gotten like a hair in it or something. It felt like maybe I had an eyelash in it, and so I was just like trying to move my eyelashes out of the way to stop poking me in the eye. But then it just got more severe and it started burning. It felt like kind of, if you ever use like Vicks Vapor Rub, you know, menthol, it felt like there was just menthol straight up in my eye. It was burning. It still hurts right here, like almost on my eyelid area. So bizarre. So I was freaking out because I couldn't open it to like look in there. I opened it as fast as I could for Nick to look in there. He couldn't see anything. And I was just like, I don't know what to do. So we called my mom, because that's what you do when you don't know what to do. And she kind of talked me down, because I was just like, I don't think like an emergency room is an appropriate place for, you know, eye pain. But I don't know what to do. So I had like a cold washcloth on my eye, which helped a lot. But it was freaking scary. Oh, bunny. So my eye is like very red, but for the most part it doesn't hurt now. Like I woke up, I rubbed my eye, I felt severe pain. I have a pretty high pain tolerance, I feel like, and I was just terrified. In other news, look at this cute bunny. Oh, what a cute bunny. Good morning. These guys are feisty. I was on the phone with my mom for probably half an hour. Then my eye just sort of started feeling better. But I was like ready to go to the hospital because it's like my eye needs to be amputated or something. Something is terribly, terribly wrong. Anyway, that was our exciting morning. Something very weird going on, but I hope it never happens again. I'm gonna feed these guys real quick and then I'm gonna try and go back to bed for a minute because that really wore me out. I usually handle pain pretty well and that was really scary. Whew, okay. Good job. Good boy. He waited for his sister. What a sweet boy. I'm just glad it doesn't hurt anymore. So bizarre. It's still a little burny, like right in the corner here. Ugh. I wonder if I did scratch it. It feels burny. I don't know. Like the outside of my eye feels like I burned, like I ripped it open or something. Anyway. Go outside and play? Let's go get that girl. Come on. Let's go get her. Anyway, sorry, no makeup day. I'm a little bit scared to do anything with my eyeball right now, so it's been such an exhausting day. Just with the whole eye thing this morning, it has totally worn me out. Like, my energy was drained at about 7:30 this morning. Yeah, so woke up at 7:30, had my eye fiasco. Yeah, so eye fiasco, horrible, exhausted, tried to go back to bed. Only had like a half an hour that I could even really be in bed. Oh my gosh, it's so cold out. But at least it's not windy. Anyway, yeah, so then I had to get up and work. And then I got off work. We went for a walk, which was really good, actually. They did super well, which was nice. I mean, I think I did well. It's usually about me and my energy and what I'm telling them to do and stuff, so yeah, it was good. I was just like trying to summon my inner Caesar Milan, and I just started off the walk prepared and ready. I had a game plan, it went well, so I felt really good about it. You guys are gonna be tired. What happened to your jacket? Your little butt is out. Yeah. Do you need some water? Okay. Let's go get some water. Let's go. Good girl. Go get some water. Go get some water. Do you need some water? No? Okay. Let's go back outside. You want tea? Oh, yeah. Good girl.